Ready to take a ride into the future? Let's go! Imagine cruising down the highway, your hands off the wheel, while your car navigates, detects obstacles, and parks itself. Welcome to the world of self-driving cars, where convenience and safety meet cutting-edge AI technology. Shift gears to electric vehicles, zero emissions, longer range, and faster charging. Picture plugging in your EV and seeing a 500-plus mile range, driving without limits and saving the planet. Yes, please. And let's talk design. Sleek, aerodynamic shapes, minimalistic interiors, and advanced infotainment systems with augmented reality dashboards. These are not just cars, they're pieces of art on wheels. AI integration takes it up a notch, helping with navigation, predictive maintenance, and even personalized settings. Imagine commanding your car to adjust the seat, temperature, and music, all hands-free. All of this while contributing to a cleaner, greener future. Electric cars driving through scenic routes, passing wind farms and solar panels, driving the future without harming the planet. So, are you ready to drive into the future? Subscribe for more updates on cutting-edge car technology and the latest innovations in the automotive world. The future is here. Let's drive it.